Hoy bakla!
Matalino ka sana, bakla ka lang.
Bida-bida kasi, bakla naman.
Feeling babae.
Ang bakla pang entertainment lang.
Kahit anong achievement mo, bakla ka pa rin.
Bakit ka nagsisikap?
Para sa niyang awards mo.
Tatanggapin ka ba nila?
Women and men must enjoy equal opportunities, choices, capabilities, power, and knowledge as equal citizens. But
This is it.
So today's lesson, it's all about cultural sensitivity and cultural stereotype. So tell me about what is stereotype?
Stereotype is making about something. Meaning a person because they have to belong to a certain group and individual.
The cultural sensitivity means respecting people's differences and avoiding unfair judgments. Okay, guys. So you are first student.
Gay, bro. Gay, I'm so disgusting, bro.
Okay, don't mind them.
Class, stop it. What just happened is an example of prejudice. You judge someone because they are different. Instead, we should practice cultural sensitivity by respecting every person's identity and treating everyone fairly. Everyone deserves to feel safe in school. of our discussion, but before we go, I have an announcement. So, our school will hold a slogan making contest with the theme Express Yourself. Just raise your hand if you want to join. Okay, anyone?
Should I join? Maybe I should.
I'd like to join this. Okay, class dismissed.
Why are they doing this to me? Why? Did I even do something wrong? Am I not good enough? Do I deserve this?
Okay, JB, just don't mind her. Let's go home now. The teachers have decided, and the result is in my hand. And the winner of our slogan contest is JB!
Being different shouldn't be a reason to discriminate someone. We must choose to respect and understand over stereotyping someone just because they are different. Anyone can achieve growth and succeed as a person. That's all. Thank you.
Respecting people's identities and differences creates an inclusive and supportive environment, while prejudice and stereotypes lead to bullying, discrimination, and emotional harm.